After jog, here is the sketch bend command. Jog adds 2 bends and sketch bend adds only 1 bend in the sheet metal. So let's try it. Sketch on this face, make normal to and draw a line. Now if you select sketch bend command, similarly it will ask you about fixed face. So this is our fixed face. Automatically this sketch is selected. So you can see here is only one sketch bend in our sheet metal. So degree and the rest of the settings you can review them by yourself. Press OK to apply.